how to fix warp VPN connecting problem on your PC. So if you want to fix your warp VPN connecting problem on your PC, then just watch this video. First, you just need to simply go with the warp, which will be on the bottom of your screen, and then go with the settings icon. Once you click on settings, you need to go with about Cloudflare warp. Once you click on that, it will give you the option for updates. If you have any updates on your warp, then you just need to simply go and update it. In my case, the current version is up to date. But if not, you can just simply go and update it, and after updating, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go with your settings again, which will be on the bottom right. From settings, now you need to go with preferences. Under preferences, you need to go with the connectivity session. And then on the right side, you will have check for service interruptions. Once you click on it, here you'll see that it shows it's working fine. Sometimes there is a server problem, which is why you face connecting issues. Now click on the connection available on the left side of your screen. And here you will have an option of reset all settings, which will be on the bottom. After resetting your settings, your problem will be fixed. Just restart your device, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.